Good afternoon. I'm going to show you guys how to install a racing seat into an MX-5 RF. This one's a 2019, but it should work from anywhere from 2016 to 2020. We're going to need about 3 extensions just because reaching behind the seat gets kind of hard. A 13 mil for the bolts that I have on the seats. I've just replaced the eTorx bolts that are already there. I don't remember the size, but mine are a 13. And then a 14 mil for the tensioner on the seat belt as part of the crash safety system. And then for some of the connectors, we're just going to need a pick. You might be able to use like a really skinny flathead screwdriver, but let's get to it. So first things first, open up your top. Once you have the top open, I would recommend taking out your fire extinguisher. You should have one. Now we're going to start with taking out the front seat bolts, slide the seat forward, and then take out the back seat bolts. That's all 4 bolts out. The next thing we're going to do is focus on the seat belt area. Just unclip this from the seat. All right, now with the factory seat, once that's done, whole seat comes out. I actually normally slide mine back first. Leave it leaned. It'll be easier to get it out of the opening. Now we have this connector here. Pull the white tab down. There's a gray clip in here. Press on that. Wiggle your harness out. Alright, so now a couple things. This is the vehicle side harness. I've actually already got my vehicle wired for my aftermarket seat, so I'd recommend getting a separate connector if you can find one. This is for the airbag. This is going to be for the speakers, just because while I'm driving to the track I have a speaker back here that lets me still make my phone calls. This one's empty. You'll see it on the aftermarket seat, but we're going to plug a connector in so that way our seatbelt alarm doesn't go off. So same as before, I'm going to put the seat in butt backwards. With that leaned up, it gives me access to this connector. That's plugged in. Now, while holding this, there's a plastic connector here. That pops out. This whole thing comes unclipped. this is now, we're going to grab your pick, pry up on that connector. Now before you unplug this, make sure your car's turned off. Now vehicle shut off, that won't trip any warning lights. You can just unplug this connector now. It goes there. Now I'm going to switch sockets to my 14 mil. It is a fairly long bolt. It does get finicky. Gives me trouble every single time. Now I'm just going to pull some excess, tuck it here between my legs, move my tool out of the way. Now I'm going to connect my harness. Make sure they're both connected in. Make sure your wires are good. Now I can drop this seat down, rotate, but I'm going to leave that leaned. This now allows me to take this seat belt, thread it through here, and then back down through here. And this goes back in its normal location. Once that's done, I can make sure my seatbelt's not binding. It's not going to pinch any wires. Now lower it into place. This is your first time. You would want to position your seatbelt properly. Position your seat, properly to make sure it's in the wheel well, fairly well. This is a PCI mount. Best mounts for a Miata, has very fine adjustment. With these, I set it once, take it out, put it in. It's fairly good. When you're selecting your seat though, you want to make sure that this shoulder lap area isn't binding and it moves freely. More importantly, it's going to sit down here, right, as the seatbelt hangs low. But you want to make sure that your shoulder is above that point. That way, when you get into an accident, it's actually going to hold you where it needs to hold you. Obviously, if you're bolting in harnesses, you have some different concerns, but this is for someone that's just going to autocross it or maybe do less than like 20 track days a year. You also want to make sure you thread it through your lap belt areas. This is because as you're sitting in your seat, you want the seat belt holding you in place, not holding the seat in place. Installation is the reverse of removal of your other seat. You would put the back bolts back in, 2 front bolts in, without forgetting your fire extinguisher bracket and your fire extinguisher.